Looking to brighten up your outdoor spaces with eco-friendly lighting? In this video, we're highlighting the best outdoor solar barn lights to enhance your yard, barn, or shed while saving energy and adding a touch of rustic charm. Number 1. Cyhkee Solar Barn Light. The Cyhkee Solar Barn Light stands out as a dependable and ultra-bright lighting solution for any outdoor space, whether it's a barn, garage, shed, or patio. Sold in a convenient 2-pack, these lights feature 3 polycrystalline silicon solar panels, ensuring fast and efficient charging even when sunlight is limited. Powered by a robust 2,200 mAh rechargeable battery, these lights are designed to operate from dusk to dawn, automatically turning on at night and off during the day without any manual adjustments. One of their most appealing features is the LED double-wick design, producing a crisp 3,200K warm light with an impressive 200 lumen output, making it far brighter than most similar solar barn lights available. What really makes the Cyhkee Solar Barn Light a smart buy is its advanced photocell sensor technology. The light offers 3 customizable lighting modes, giving users the flexibility to choose between a slightly bright mode with motion detection, a motion-activated only mode for longer battery life, and a steady light mode lasting up to 5 hours. With a 120 degrees wide sensing angle and a motion detection range of up to 19 feet, it provides reliable security lighting around any outdoor area. Its ability to continue charging even in overcast or rainy weather makes it perfect for locations where sunlight isn't always abundant. Aside from performance, the eco-friendly design of the Cyhkee Solar Barn Light adds to its appeal, helping homeowners cut down on energy bills while minimizing their environmental impact. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the easy installation means you won't have to deal with complicated wiring. Number 2. Tobusa Solar Barn Light. The Tobusa Solar Barn Light brings timeless farmhouse charm to any outdoor setting, combining style with dependable dusk-to-dawn functionality. Sold in a set of 2, these wall-mounted fixtures feature a sophisticated matte black finish with an elegant gooseneck design, offering a versatile look that complements everything from modern to rustic exteriors. While these lights aren't solar-powered or motion-activated, they excel in reliable dusk-to-dawn performance, thanks to their advanced photocell sensor that sensitively detects ambient light. They automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, creating effortless, hands-free operation that's perfect for everyday use. Designed for both residential and commercial applications, Tobusa barn lights provide the ideal balance of aesthetic appeal and functional lighting. The durable metal construction is fully weather-resistant, ensuring they hold up to rain, snow, high heat, or freezing temperatures without rusting or corroding. Their heavy-duty build promises years of consistent performance, making them a solid investment for outdoor lighting. The lights are particularly suitable for areas like front doors, garages, patios, parking lots, and even farmyards, enhancing both security and curb appeal. Though not solar-powered, these barn lights are remarkably energy efficient when paired with LED bulbs. The dusk-to-dawn photocell sensor simplifies daily use by eliminating the need to manually switch lights on and off, reducing energy waste while adding convenience. Their gooseneck arm design directs light precisely where it's needed, creating both an inviting glow and functional illumination for driveways or entryways. Number 3. Siedinlar Solar Barn Light. For homeowners seeking versatility and dependable outdoor lighting, the Siedinlar Solar Barn Light offers a practical and attractive solution. This solar-powered fixture features durable aluminum construction and 3 high-efficiency amorphous silicon solar panels, ensuring continuous charging throughout the day. Measuring 15.06-inch LX 9.88, WX 12.48H, it's sizable enough to make an impact while maintaining a classic barn-style design. Equipped with a transparent cover for enhanced bulb protection and brightness, this light also includes a convenient remote control for easy adjustments, allowing you to manage settings from a distance. What sets the Siedinlar Solar Barn Light apart is its range of lighting and sensor options. Users can choose between warm 3000K and cool white 6000K lighting, depending on the ambience or task lighting required. 3 sensor modes, constant on, dim to bright, and off to bright, add another layer of customization, making it suitable for both decorative and security purposes. Whether illuminating a barnyard, chicken coop, front door, or garage, this light offers dependable performance. Adding to its durability, this solar barn light is fully weather-resistant, built to withstand everything from scorching sun to heavy rain and snow. It won't rust or corrode over time, ensuring reliable use for years to come. The motion sensor covers a range of 16 to 22 feet with a 120 degrees detection angle, offering effective security lighting that responds to movement. The only requirement is activating the on-off switch on the lamp body before first use. Number 4. Siedinlar Farmhouse Solar Barn Light. The Siedinlar Farmhouse Solar Barn Light is a stylish and functional lighting solution perfect for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Made from durable metal and PC materials, this light features a high-capacity solar panel paired with a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, ensuring extended runtime and reliable dusk-to-dawn operation. It comes equipped with a charming Edison-style LED bulb beneath a clear cover, adding both rustic appeal and practical lighting to barns, sheds, garages, patios, and more. The included remote control makes adjusting settings effortless from a distance. One of the standout features is its flexible lighting and sensor modes. You can select between warm white, 3000K, and cool white, 6000K, lighting depending on your desired mood or function. Additionally, there are 3 intuitive lighting modes to choose from: constant on, dim to bright with motion, and off to bright with motion detection. These modes can easily be toggled via the remote control or directly with the mode button. Built to endure harsh outdoor conditions, it boasts UV resistance and anti-corrosion properties, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its motion sensor detects movement within a 16 to 22-foot range and covers a 120-degree angle, providing reliable lighting for security and convenience. Number 5. Leidrail Solar Barn Light. For anyone looking to blend vintage charm with modern solar technology, the Leidrail Solar Barn Light is a standout choice. This fixture is specifically designed for barns, sheds, chicken coops, and outdoor buildings without access to electrical outlets. Its matte black finish and classic gooseneck design evoke traditional farmhouse aesthetics, while the E27 Edison-style LED bulb offers a warm, inviting glow that enhances any exterior space. Automatic dusk-to-dawn operation ensures it charges by day and glows automatically at night, eliminating the need for manual control. The Leidrail Solar Barn Light comes equipped with 3 lighting modes to suit different outdoor situations. Mode 1 keeps the light on continuously during the night. Mode 2 dims the light and brightens with motion detection, while Mode 3 keeps the light off until motion is detected, making it a smart choice for security lighting. Rated for waterproofing and designed to resist water, heat, and frost, ensuring dependable performance through all seasons. This solar-powered light installs easily without wiring, making it a perfect upgrade for off-grid structures and rural properties. Combining energy efficiency, motion detection, and rustic design, the Leidrail Solar Barn Light offers excellent functionality and timeless style. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.